Hi my cutie pies, this is Shruti. And today I am going to teach you how to make a cloth bunny. Step 1. Cut the extra sides of the cloth to make a perfect square. Step 2. Take any two corners and fold the cloth. Next, fold the edges to make the ears. Step 3. Tie the ears with a thread or a rubber band. Step 4. Roll the cloth and fold it as shown here. Step 5. Tie the face of the bunny as shown. Step 6. Fold the back of the bunny. Step 7. And tie it as shown. Step 8. Fold the shown part. Step 9. Tie the paws of the bunny. Like and subscribe if you want more content.